We continue to track the spread of the coronavirus in the coastal bend. Nueces County reporting 36 new cases today. That brings the county's total number of positive cases recorded from the very beginning to 21,378. Fortunately, there were no COVID-related deaths reported today. 67 people are currently hospitalized and 25 of those in ICU. For more numbers, county by county, just visit our website. Well, the two campuses in the Benavides ISD will be closed till November 9th because of a small outbreak of COVID-19. The district superintendent put out this letter yesterday saying a staff member at the elementary school contracted the virus and that anyone that was in contact with the patient has been notified. Officials say the district has been following CDC and TEA guidelines. Both the elementary and secondary school will be closed as cleaning crews disinfect and sanitize the buildings over the next few days. Last week, 2 other district employees and a student also tested positive for the virus. 2 other school districts are set to return to face-to-face instruction tomorrow. Kingsville ISD announced late last month that they would be closing 3 campuses, Memorial Middle School, Harrell Elementary, and Gillette Intermediate for 10 days, and continue virtual learning during the shutdown. The district announced the outbreak of 8 cases prompted that closure. Alice ISD also closed its school last month after several students tested positive after attending what they are calling a large residential gathering that may have led to exposure. In-person instruction at Alice ISD will also resume tomorrow.